Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday. I have something kind of cool to share with you today. It is the Fifine Fifine. It's this. It's the Fifine K668 mic. So something unique happened the other day. I was contacted by the rep for Fifine and they said, hey, I understand that you're doing mic reviews lately. Would you like to check this one out? In a roundabout way, I ended up getting a microphone from Fifine to review, and I have not opened it yet. The tape is still sealed on the box. So I am excited to open it up and see what's inside. The box is kind of heavy. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up. I'll let you guys watch as I unbox. It's not all that exciting, but what the heck. And I lift the top. You've got a Fifine technology, dear all, thank you for choosing our mic, blah, blah, blah type of thing, which is kind of cool. It's personal. We've got the user manual, which I've already downloaded and kind of looked through. Let's do a photo cutaway. This is a USB condenser mic. There's two types of microphones, more or less. There's condenser and dynamic. I know there's other types out there, but this one is a condenser mic. The dynamic mic is a mic that's set up more for close range, high impact vocals. It might be used for instruments, loud rock singing, guitar amps, that type of thing. And a condenser mic is going to be one like the Yeti, the Samson Go mic, mics you'd have on your desktop to help you do some type of voiceover or possibly do, some video work. But really, it's up to the user what they like, what makes their voice sound the best, and whatever. So anyway, pulling this mic out, definitely feels pretty solid already. Comes connected with the cable. It's a decent looking mic. It's got the metal mesh screen. Kind of looks, I've heard the term karaoke, but it does have some type of screen filter inside. It feels like it's made of metal, and it's got a mic stand attachment here, this thing, and it's got a cable which looks like it's about, 4 feet maybe, just ballparking it. Let's see. And it is about 4 feet. It's not quite 6. It's not quite 6. It's about 4 feet. So that's the mic. This is the mic stand, which is pretty cool. That's definitely plastic. And that goes up in the bottom as such. I'm kind of weird. I like a front leg pointing forward, but it does definitely have a good feel on the stand. The stand feels nice and sturdy. That's actually kind of cool. It's not the best thing in the world, but it's definitely not bad. Okay, so way too hot. Way too hot. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm talking on this microphone, and I'm about, I'd say 12 inches away from the microphone. So I'm not sure. A lot of these videos that I've seen with this microphone, I've heard a lot of distortion breaking up when people are close to the mic. So by virtue of the fact that it has a stand, I would say that it's kind of intended to be a desk mic and not all up in your face or right next to your voice for voiceover. Being that it's a condenser mic, it might be more suitable to have this microphone not so close to your face. I'm not sure. So I'm going to try it at a couple different settings and locations, and you tell me what you think sounds the best. So this is at 12 inches. I'm now going to move it at about 2 feet. This is at about 2 feet, and I'm talking with a moderate to loud voice, and we will read something. Let's see. Okay, let's just read the thank you. I can actually see it. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. So that's that. Now I'm going to move it back to 1 foot away. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. I'm going to move it like middle of the table. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Okay, so that's close, and I'm going to get really close, and I think you'll see what I mean by breaking up. Now, when I do this, I'm going to talk softer, so I don't blow it apart. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Yeah, that's a tight fit. Okay, that actually fits very nicely. Now it looks really pro. Okay, I'm going to go a little close on this one. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Now I'm going to go 12 inches. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. I'm going to go about 2 feet. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Now I'm going to go center of the table, and I don't think this filter screen thing does anything at this distance. Thank you for choosing Fifine. I read it wrong. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. So that's that. So here's the microphone. Here's how it sounds. Hopefully it is sounding good. I'll have to check it out once I review my recording. I'm going to pick it up just to show you the sound refusal from the side. So this is what the microphone sounds like when you turn it and you get off axis, and this is what happens to my voice. But when it comes back to the center, it should be louder. Now this is what happens when you go to the other side, and this is what it sounds like when it gets to the side with my voice. Don't really know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to keep talking so you have something to listen to. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to gently put it down, and I'm going to do the same type of reading with my Samson Go mic, which I have here. And I'm going to do the 12 inches, the 1 foot or 2 foot in the center of the table. And we're going to compare the two and see which one sounds better. Okay, now what I'm going to do, and what you're hearing, is the Samson Go mic. So I'm going to do the same reading and the same recording distances with the Samson Go mic just to see how this thing holds up. I'm going to just start at the very closest, go 12 inches, go 2 feet, and then I'm going to go center of the table. And then I'll do a little sound refusal thing too. So this is the Go mic up close. I have to be careful not to blow it out. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Now I'm going to go about 12 inches. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. All right, now I'm going to go like 2 feet. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. All right, this is about, 3 feet away. Dear all, thank you for choosing Fifine. In order to upgrade our service, please spend a few minutes in watching our video of guidance. Okay guys, so thanks for coming and checking out this review on this microphone. I would say that it's a pretty solid microphone. The one thing that I noticed after going back and reviewing the sound footage is that it has a little bit of de-essing needed. The S's are harsh, the T's are a little harsh. And I did play around with the EQ, and I dropped the 16 kilohertz band down about 3 to 5 dB to check it out. And you could rope it in a little bit. My first impressions when I initially started listening to the mic, I thought it sounded more open than the Samson. I thought it was a little more articulate. But really, when I kept reviewing it, even though the Samson had a little bit of a honky sound with my voice, I still preferred the overall sound of the Samson versus this microphone. I'm not saying it's bad, it's just different, but I definitely prefer the Samson sound as opposed to this mic. But it's definitely a doable mic for 20 bucks. If you need a desk mic and this thing's going to be sitting 12 to 18 inches away from your face, you're not going to be all up close to it, I think it would work fine. It's a good solution, it's inexpensive, it's pretty well built, and I think it's a thumbs up. But you guys be the judge, maybe buy one, try it out, see what you think of it. But so far I like the Samson better than this. But as far as like, it just sounds so different. You know, it's really weird how one mic can sound so different than the next mic, and they're doing the same thing. But it just goes to show you really need to sample and test the different microphones out there to see which ones you like best with your voice. And the other thing I like about the Samson versus the Fifine in this particular case is that the Samson sound quality seems to match my Yeti very closely. So when I have to go mobile and use the Samson on the run, I don't have to worry about, hey, do my videos sound different one to the other? They kind of all sound the same. So that's a plus as well. But it's definitely an excellent mic. I give it a thumbs up. I think if you need a mic and you don't have more than 20 bucks to spend, this is a good option and you should consider it. And I want to say thanks to Fifine for letting me try it out. And my son now has a great gaming mic to use while he's gaming and talking to his friends. So thumbs up on everything. I'm not unhappy with it at all. It's not as good as my Samson in my opinion, but I like the mic and I think it sounds great. So if you guys want to give it a shot, check it out.